How to manage privacy settings in RedNote. Today I'll be showing you how to manage the privacy settings. As managing your privacy settings is essential to ensure a secure and personalized experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you adjust your privacy preferences. Let's dive right into it. First, open the RedNote app. Once you are on your home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Here, tap on this settings icon. Here in the settings menu, privacy settings. Here tap on it, privacy. You can just adjust the account visibility. Turn on this protection mode. Now once you turn on the protection mode, you will not receive the private messages from the unfollowed people. Now you can also change the activity status, like you can just close it activity status. In this way your activity won't be shown to others, like your online status and offline status won't be visible to others. Just go back like this. Once you go back, okay, let's say allow access to messages, you can just toggle it off, and just like that others cannot be allowed to message you, and just toggle this off as well, and your videos can't be downloaded by others. And just tap on my collections and just toggle it off, and your collections won't be visible to others. In this way you can manage your privacy settings. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.